Ride the Wind e-bike. So I'm here with the Nexa. This is my first time sitting in it and I'm gonna drive it. So first drive, oh, look at it. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. Welcome, oh thank you. Nice shutting doors. I'm gonna turn it to drive. And I got a brake. Put the parking brake down. Okay. I love it!
How quiet that is?
Yes. Now it's zippy.
You can power windows.
So great. It's so great. So then I'll put it into drive. Oh, let's try the reverse. Good beep.
Inside, not outside.
Good beep. Rear view camera, 10-inch screen. Excellent. Oh, well done. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.